you should always say Alhamdulillah. I remember, was it last year or last 2 years, I gave lecture in Long Island. When I finished, a brother came to me and said, my brother, Imam, I want you to pray for me. I don't have saliva. Whew. When he said that, I stood for a minute. Something that you have and you throw it away. Right? You have it so much you don't even need it. He doesn't have. He said, my mouth is dry. I want you to pray for me for Allah to bring me back my saliva. Right there I said, Subhanallah. وَإِن تَعُدُّوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ لَا تُحْصُوهَا. Can you ever count the favors of Allah upon you? They are countless. They are uncountable. So always remember to say Alhamdulillah.